Lincoln Copilot 360 technology features are designed to help you feel more confident on the road. Evasive steering assist can aid when suddenly there's a slow or stopped vehicle in your path. This feature can help make it easier to potentially avoid a collision. It doesn't steer for you, but it can provide extra steering support if the system's warning goes off and you need to maneuver around the vehicle ahead. Designed to operate at city and highway driving speeds, Evasive Steering Assist can help detect a slower moving or stationary vehicle ahead by using the camera and radar on your Lincoln vehicle. If the risk is high for collision with the vehicle and there isn't enough space to avoid a potential collision by braking only, the system can provide extra steering support to help avoid a potential collision. After the vehicle has passed, the system applies steering effort in the opposite direction to encourage you to steer back into the lane. It's important to note that Evasive Steering Assist can only assist if you are already turning the steering wheel. It does not automatically steer around a vehicle if you are not turning the steering wheel. Evasive Steering Assist defaults to on every time you turn on the vehicle. To turn the feature off, go to Settings on the center touchscreen, select Driver Assistance, and then Pre-Collision Assist. Here, you can turn off Evasive Steering Assist. The Evasive Steering Assist feature is part of the Pre-Collision Assist with Automatic Emergency Braking system. So if automatic emergency braking is turned off, the Evasive Steering Assist will also be turned off. Thank you for watching.